YouTube channel. Oh, actually, if you're new here, hello, I am Karthika. I sing, I kinda talk all the time. I also kinda dance, but I haven't uploaded a dance video on my YouTube channel yet. But if you are looking for someone who's gonna give you like a high burst of energy on like a weekly basis, then please do consider subscribing. I'm sure it's going to be a fun journey, so do that, just do that. And also, today I have a very special episode for you guys. Yes, I do say that every single episode. I say that this is a special episode, but you know what? Every day is a special day, but today is actually a very extra special day. Today is my little sister's birthday, and she lives 2 houses next to mine. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, which by the way, link in the description, you guys know that there is like a forest behind my house. So my grandmom's house is like behind that forest. So that's where we're gonna go today, because my little sister stays there. So before that, I thought we could like shoot a get ready with me thing, because I don't know, it just feels like a nice idea. So getting ready with me is honestly one of the easiest things, because there's nothing I actually do. All I put is kajal, I do my kajal, and I also put, do not hold it, please, thank you, no, stay. And I also put lipstick. This is literally my look whenever I go out, whenever I go anywhere. And to be very honest, lipstick just makes a difference for anyone's face. Like literally, it just makes a difference. So if you don't like powder on your face like me, then you guys should try just putting lipstick on. It just instantly gives you a glow. So that was get ready with me. So I also made this card for my little sister, which is pretty basic. It's nothing like, the outside might look pretty, but the inside is pretty basic. So you guys should check that out. I'll put the video now. By that time I will get there. So and by there I mean that house. And also, do not even consider talking about my hair. I know that it's a mess. I just washed it today. So, and if any of you girls have amazing hair on the day you wash it, you guys are really lucky. Actually, if it messes up later on, again you are unlucky. For me, that day of wash is really bad, and as you guys can see, it becomes all curly and frizzy till tomorrow. Hi, Peppa. Okay, bye. I probably look like a dead fish, but you guys just have to deal with it, because I don't feel like doing anything to my face. So yeah, I thought I would make a greeting card for my little sister, because she always makes one for our birthdays. Like literally we have so many of them, for my birthday, for my mom's birthday, for my dad's birthday, and then she makes these cute puzzle kind of thingy which has stuff inside, and then we have to like make things with it. So she's pretty creative, and she makes it for literally everyone. She makes it for the people who live in Bangalore, also my other cousins. She makes it for them too, and like she's pretty sweet. So I thought I'll make something for her this time, because of the fact that it's COVID and we couldn't go out and we couldn't get anything for her. We couldn't get like a gift, so we'll be giving her money, that's different. But yes, we couldn't get anything, so I thought I'll make this. I don't have anything for a strong base, so I'm gonna take an old, this is literally someone's marriage invitation. I'm gonna take that, and this is, my mom has these. I don't know why she has these, but I'm happy that she has color papers. Now I have a lot of stuff with me, but I don't have anything here. Everything's back in my hostel in Bangalore. And I also have this white ribbon. So I mean, it's not white, it's silver, so I'm gonna use that. But I will try my best and do something out of this. Please, I'll show you the end product later. So all these crochet things that you see over here is actually made by this lady over here. She wants you to show everything. So this is my Amama. Amama, ippande onnu aakatadu. Moodilla. She's lazy, guys. That's all. Amamaku bayangara madi. So she actually made an offer to all of you guys. She said that if you guys give her orders, then she'll make it for you. So if you want orders of crochet, mats and stuff, then do let my grandmom know. Do let me know. I will let her know and she will make it for you. Right? Mommy, first blow the candle and make a wish.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ramita. Happy birthday to you. This is Mommy's gift. Mommy, how happy are you? When are you going to start riding the cycle?
I don't know.
So I am back home and it was a fun day. It was damn nice. I honestly have no clue how I'm going to edit this video. Hopefully it's okay-ish and you guys enjoy it. I don't know. So tell me if you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also comment down below. Well, I'm pretty tired. It was fun. So I actually have college also tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna go do my college work. You guys do whatever you do in your usual day. Night. It's night time. Anyway, so bye. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.